Frost.
This one is for the universe.
Yeah. Jonas.
Real talk.
Good and bad people. Let me tell you a true story.
Yeah, man. No, man. So everything is all talk about, it comes down to this now. Millennial customers are becoming more and more value-centric. So how do customers get a bang for their buck? Richard Rowe of the Consumer Affairs Commission is here to talk to us. And Richard, ready? I hear time now because consumers always have complaints.
Oh, yes.
Always.
So give us some guidelines on how to get best value for our buck.
Well, I think we should start by making a plan.
A plan?
Right.
Okay. Step one.
I think consumers do not plan ahead enough. So we must make the plan. Start by making a plan. And the plan will include things like, you know, a budget, making sure you know what you really need, prioritize the list, and so on. So you start with making a plan. And having done that, you now need to look at, do I have to go into a store?
So you're saying to pay attention, we can use online services as well?
We can. And I love this program this morning.
Yeah, you would, right? Because it's all about you and your business.
So, you know, you may not have to start by going into the store.
Okay.
So, you know, it's important to look at what do I need, prioritize.
Budget it, what I need,
Yes.
and where to get it.
And you don't have to, if you don't need it right away,
Don't buy it right away.
then you can shop online for it. You know, it will take a while to
get
come and
there.
so on. You know, so you really don't have to go into the store as the first option.
So I'm going to give you a scenario, right? We have so many supermarkets. We have left, right, center. We have a different
Uptown,
supermarkets that pop up
downtown,
every single day,
roundtown.
right? How can we assure that we're getting, send me one by a can of baked bean, come like baked bean. How can I know that I'm getting the best value for my baked beans? Because it might be the same brand, and then every different supermarket have a different price for the same brand, or they have a brand that's cheaper that tastes just the same. Okay, the man pop out in newspaper. He's ready.
Yes.
Okay, what is
I am
that?
ready because guess what? We have a tool.
Okay. What are
We
the
have a price inquiry tool from the Consumer Affairs Commission.
And this
We
comes
go
out.
in to supermarkets across the island.
Wow.
We gather all the data prices,
Yes.
right? And we publish the prices.
And this is free information.
Free information.
This is
How often
fabulous.
is it posted?
Once per month.
What?
Once
I was totally
per
unaware of that.
month.
I would never have known that.
Once per month.
And if you look on that gentleman,
if you look,
it's more than one.
yes, man, more than one. If you look at the prices, you'll see that a lot of these, you see some red, and some in green. The green ones are the lower prices.
Okay.
The lowest price in that group.
Let me see that
Oh.
stuff.
And the red ones are the ones that you get at the highest price.
Also, we have the items.
Yes.
We have the brand.
The brand,
We have the
yes.
size of the container. So we
Definitely.
know how
have
much
the-
money. And then you have the location.
location.
And the name
Name.
of the supermarket.
Definitely.
Oh my
And there are
gosh.
some, can I tell you that consumers benefit because some organizations, some of these supermarkets, when they see themselves in the red,
Yeah, man, them drop the price quick. Yes, I am.
and
Like
so
it.
as far as I'm concerned, that's a serious benefit to the consumer.
Oh my gosh.
And it's an
look at this.
inquiry. You can make an inquiry on our website about these items. Where
is
can I get it
amazing.
for the price?
And what is your website?
It's www.cac.gov.jm, right?
The way how things are looking, I see where I shall be going to shop. You
man,
see
it's always the one.
this? You see this?
Always the one.
You see this though? But we never know that them prices
Yeah,
are
man.
cheaper than them prices because this always
Because
you that
them
think
they-
say this more expensive
No,
down.
because them they up there so, and them they.
But no, them are down
Oh,
here
so,
so.
and them
And
up
them still high. So you want no, so, ladies and gentlemen, if I never learn anything today,
This.
please to take a look at this. I am not going to load it up supermarkets, but it's in the newspaper. I don't want to load it up. You know why I don't want to
Hide
load
the
it up?
name then.
But yeah, don't ever go look for yourself in the newspaper, guys. But you see all this green? You see the green? That's where it's supposed to
See
be
the red?
going. You see the red?
That one there, watch that one there.
Oh
You avoid those.
I'm sure the camera just pick up the name. I'm going to leave it up there. But guys, it's there for you. All the information is presented.
The information is there.
Okay. My next question.
Yes.
Are consumers really protected, or is it a take where you get kind of thing?
They are protected, but you know, the best form of protection is knowledge of your rights. You know, as a consumer, you have rights. The problem is we just don't know them. And there are 8 basic rights that we have. And if we were looking at,
read me my rights. Read me my rights. I'm ready to
shopping rights.
read me my rights.
The right, for example, to the satisfaction of basic needs. Basic needs, food, clothing, shelter. The government has a responsibility to make sure that these things are available.
Oh,
right?
and they
That's
are in Jamaica.
That the next thing is that you have the right to information. All the information on the item that you need.
All right,
before
Mr.
you make
Rowe, them say we have to wrap, so you have to tell me the 8 of it. Yeah,
oh
we're not
God.
have long.
And then now, you have the right to redress. And it's not to take off your clothes and dress up
You
again.
mean carry it back?
Oh, yes.
Yeah! Bless the Lord, carry it back.
Whatever. And it's 3 hours that comes with that. The repair of the item, the replacement of the item, or refund.
And that is for every store.
That is for every store,
So,
irrespective of the store's policy.
Irrespective of the store's policy, I have a right to return an item.
But make sure that whatever is happening, it's not your fault that the item broke.
It in that book, all them laws in that book, something in that book?
Well, yes, some of that information.
Come, please, let's show them the book.
Show them the book.
No. Wait, let me show you something.
Oh, it's not a book.
One of our brochures. No, this is not the book.
Okay, no,
one of our brochures have all the rights
information
written down there.
And where can we get the information? Where do we get the brochures or get to you?
Right at the Consumer Affairs Commission.
You got it,
we have 3 locations island-wide. We have a location right here in Kingston, Trafalgar Road, 34 Trafalgar Road, and we're also in Mandeville, Caledonia Road in Mandeville, and we're in Montego Bay, Market Street.
There you have it. All of the information can be found. Go get it.
No, don't miss out. Enough deals.
Regional Officer with the Consumer Affairs Commission, Mr. Richard Rowe.